First interview with Harry, who seems to be up for this now. Yes, tell us how you feel in the morning today.
I'm feeling good actually. I overslept the alarm a bit, but I've shot myself ready to climb.
Starting the day with an Indonesian cigarette right away, off the bat.
Got my cigarettes, got my water, fundamentals of any good hike.
Seems like it's going to be a lot of fun. Tune in for more. Climbing Mount Batur early morning. Welcome to Bali, guys. What's up? We're almost halfway up. We started around 2 p.m. this morning. 2 a.m. Fail. I'm standing here with Oliver on the way up to Mount Batur. Tell us what you feel right now.
Very tired. Very tired.
But it's going to be worth it, I hope.
Oh, let's hope so, yeah.
Let's hope
so. It'll be worth it for sure.
All right, let's go. So we nearly reached the top. We're almost at the end of our hike, and as you guys can see, the sun is already rising on the horizon. Hopefully we'll be able to see a bit from the top. We have about maybe half a kilometer left before we get up. Should be interesting. James on a one-man mission to conquer the mountain. As Bear Grylls would say, adapt, overcome, survive. Climbing volcanoes the Hungarian way. Egészséget tekre. It works. Come on, guys.
We just climbed the volcano and shit.
Something like that. Make sure to replenish your energy when you're climbing a volcano. Sandwiches. Boom. Smoking it up with the boys, huh, Harry? Yeah. Oh, nice.